Please listen to the following safety announcements before we begin our journey. For your comfort and safety, please remain seated, keeping your head, hands, arms, and legs inside the train at all times. For those of you with small children, for their safety, we ask that you place them toward the center of the car seat and not on the outside edges. All aboard as we make our way to the Vesta station. Hey kids, can you tell me who is red and furry and loves to giggle? Elmo! If you look over to your left, you can see the Sesame Street Forest line, where you can meet Elmo and his Sesame friends, and enjoy picnic and ride and play areas. Parents, we're going to give you a special tip. Busch Gardens has tons of attractions for dining and entertainment that are perfect for kids ages 9 and under, and it's too cheap to find them. Just look for the kid-considerate logo throughout the park and on the map to point you in just the right direction for your little ones. If you would like to continue on to the Caribou Station in New France, please remain on board and slide all the way to your right to allow room for boarding guests. Thank you for riding, and have an excellent day here at Busch Gardens Railway. On board. For your comfort and safety, please remain seated, keeping your head, hands, arms, and legs inside the train at all times. For those of you with small children, for their safety, we ask that you place them towards the center of the car seat and not on the outside edges, as we make our way to the Caribou Station.
Yay! At New France. Caribou Station at New France. That was a nice surprise at the Loch Ness Monster you can go watch. That was nice.
I know.
I think I'm going to make a short video for people over 330 pounds.
Going from the skyline, remember that like bird thing that I saw coming out of the water? That was it, right?
Because that was nice and helpful to know ahead of time, so you don't get your expectations high, and then you get crushed.
Hold on to your little ones as we begin our path across the 400-foot Rhine River Trestle,
Oh
roughly
no!
90 feet above the water.
Oh no!
This structure is one of the two long-span trestles found on the shore of the Mississippi. As we cross the trestle, please keep your hands, arms, and loved ones inside the train cars.
Never look down. Look at the water.
mysterious grounds of King Louis Fortress, on-car coaster, an indoor launch coaster that traverses through immersive lighting
That's
and
the line
sound.
for the red track coaster.
Right, you will find something else, our incredible inverted coaster. After climbing to a 495-foot alpine high, riders are hurtled through 6 staggering inversions at speeds up to 67 miles per hour.
It's not, I don't even see it being tested. If it's not being tested at this time, it's not running for the day.
As we approach the Caribou Station, please listen to the following safety announcements. Please remain seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. You may then exit to your right and right-hand side only. If you would like to continue on to the Tweedside Station in Scotland, or the Festa Station in Festa Italia, please remain on board and slide all the way to your left to allow room for boarding guests. Thank you for riding, and have an excellent day here at Busch Gardens.
Yay!
There's green train.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, just a friendly reminder to please remain seated till the train has come to a full complete stop, and the engineer has sounded his whistle. Only after you have heard the sound of that whistle are you free to stand up and exit to your right and right-hand side only. If you need to retrieve a wagon or stroller, please do so from the right-hand side and not the ride-restricted area. Thank you for joining us along with Busch Gardens Railway. We hope you enjoy the rest of your day here at Busch Gardens. Wait for the whistle. There's the whistle, folks. Enjoy the rest of your day.
So you think those are cherry blossom?
Did you know that the griffin is named after a mythical beast that had an eagle and the body of a lion? The griffin is a fascinating creature known for the strength from its lion roar and speed of an eagle. The griffin lives up to its name, reaching speeds faster than 70 miles per hour as it dives 90 degrees or 205 feet straight down before speeding directly into a 146-foot Immelman move, one of the tallest roller coaster inversions in the world. We are now approaching the Loch Ness Trestle.
Ooh, Loch Ness, that's where we were.
The bright yellow coaster is known as the Loch Ness Monster. This year, the legend lives on as this classic early coaster debuts new thematic and experiential lighting and sound effects as you traverse through the 3,240 feet of twisting track at 60 miles per hour and experience the world's first interlocking loops. Just be sure to watch out for old Nessie.
I think Loch Ness wasn't running the last time we were here because we were on the train ride or sky ride. We were like, oh, look at that yellow one. That one went above water. but it's not running right now because it was freezing. Wait, this is where we were? So we already made a full round? That's funny.
As we approach the pizza station, please listen to our full safety announcement.
Yeah, that's another theme park in here. Yeah, I don't know if that's in Cleveland. Yeah, but they said it's not as good as Busch Gardens.
Inside only.